Pero siguro, no, ang kagandahan lang dito that we really need to talk about this is because kung manonotice din natin,
Mm.
yung mga matatanda noon na galing sa boomer
Oo.
would always refer to the younger ones. Tingnan mo itong mga batang to.
Mm.
Gusto lahat mabilisan. Tapos yung mga bata noon, ang sinasabi dun sa mga sumunod na generation sa kanila, tingnan mo itong mga batang to.
Mm.
Gusto mabilisan. Hanggang sa mga sumunod pang generation, iisa yung tema ng cycle of how they describe, not really interpret, but describe the younger generations during that time.
Mm.
So it will always be something na parang, ay, it's almost similar. This may sound very familiar to most of us, pero, ay, I'm starting to sound like my mother. I'm starting to sound like my father. I'm starting to sound
Mm.
like my previous boss. Because it's really a cycle of, especially na, ay, ito na rin naman yung na-observe before.
Mm.
But, sisters, the good thing about this is that, the good thing about a cycle, it's that it's always continuous.
Mm.
It's always moving. Um, it may not be ever so changing, but it's always moving.